Recording.
Okay. This will be a maiden flight. This was new in box, so it's never flown before. The CG in the manual is weird where it tells you to measure from the cone. So I measured 20.5 inches, which puts it right here in the middle of this panel, access panel, where it says Marcher. So that's where my CG is right now, right about there. I have a 4055C 6-cell battery pushed as far back as I can get it in the tray, which when this is on, yeah, I might try a bigger battery later, but this is maiden flight, so we'll see how it is. I have my main receiver in here, which is a wires nest, and the battery. So I put a satellite up here to make sure I had clearance of signal. So that's that. Flight check. So right stick, left stick. Full back, full down. Full right rudder, full left rudder. And I'm not going to cycle the gear, and there's no flaps, so I think everything's good. I have gyro active. I've checked the direction multiple times, and I have it turned way down. So even if there is something weird with the gyro, I'm hoping it won't be a factor. So, all right, no wind, so I can't blame it on the wind today. So let's do it. Oh yeah, and I have an afterburner on here. I'm going to take off towards the left, so I have more room to climb out. I'm going to have mid rates for initial flight. See if I need to change it once I'm up. Okay, taking off, right to left. There you go. You're up. Going to low rates because it's a little twitchy even on medium. Hands off. So turning a little. Oh, gyro. So turn off the gyro. Yeah, I did. And it's still bad, so.
Camera's not wanting to focus.
So what I'm doing is I'm cycling the gyro while turning down the gains up and down, just to see what happens. Slow it down a bit. Okay. So I'm on low rates, and she definitely has a lot of sensitivity. In here. She's dragging the butt, so I don't know if that means she's tail heavy. She might be. She's flying pretty good now. I have the gyros turned way down. Add some rudder in there, see how that handles. Okay. Yeah, her roll rate is really high. Not surprised. Short wing deltas will do that. The pitch seems a little sluggish, so I'm going to have to go in there and maybe adjust my controls and my transmitter to make that better. Oop. Okay, I'll just leave the gyro off.
Man, I'm having a hell of a time with focus today.
It's, when my gyro's off, it's super twitchy. So I do have the rates way high. And it is tail heavy, I can tell that. So I'm gonna make this a shorter flight. So I'm gonna put the gear down, Didn't mean to get that low, but I'm going to land from the south, give myself more distance. Throttle off, throttle on.
Wheelie.
And then turn. There we go. Well, that was a really cool landing. Yeah. So I'd say she's tail heavy. I'm going to try bumping the battery in the CG forward about 10 millimeters and see how that works. But hey, she's down, so mission accomplished.
Sorry about the
1 minute. Let me see. Actually, that was a 2.5 minute flight. So I'm gonna go back and I'll check and see what the battery is when we're on the bench.
Okay.
Right? So we'll check and see what the battery is. This sucker out. Okay, so if I can do it, hands are cold. I can get this.
Oop.
Try this. There we go. Okay. 3.92. So, and that was a 2.5 minute flight. So yeah, I could easily do another minute, maybe even 2 minutes on that. So,
Yep.
All right, well, there she goes.
Okay.
Slightly forward speed, brakes turned down, gyro turned down. Taking off in mid rates again. Okay, taking off left to right. Rolling back. Also good. Definitely must be tail heavy, because it is still wanting to drag that butt around the sky. Which is great if all I want to do is high alpha stuff, but low rate is much better. The roll looks good. Okay. Back around here. See how that high alpha is. Second flight, I'll take it. She does like the high alpha very easily, that's for sure. I know from this angle you can't tell very well. Alright, enough of that noise. Afterburner? Yep. I love it.
I lost you up there.
Coming out.
Okay.
That plane is hard as hell to track.
Well, once he takes off, I'm going to land.
All right, coming out now.
All right, gear coming down. A little too high alpha, broke the nose off, or cone off. Too high alpha.
Yeah.